You know these TikTok videos where each word lights up as it's spoken? They look professional, engaging, and they're a pain to make manually. But I'm going to teach you a process where you can automate this entire process. If you can copy and paste, you can do this. I'm going to walk you through adding professional animated captions to your videos step by step. Learn how to do these fun captions with me in this video. Now, we're going to use two things. One is VS Code and the other is Claude Code. Now, VS Code is just an editor. You can go to VS Code's website to download. Now, the second thing is Claude Code. If you have never used Claude Code before, you're welcome to check out this video here. Make sure you install Claude Code properly, and also you need a paid plan in order to use Claude Code. At the very minimum, you will need to have a pro plan, which is more than enough for the vast majority of us. And I think it's a great investment. And the last thing I wanted to introduce here is Remotion. Now, Remotion is a React package that allows AI tools to be able to create code-based videos. Now, today our focus is animated captions. So we're going to go to find a template and select TikTok. Now there is a demo here. Someone is speaking, and then see this is the animated captions here. And in this package, it allows you actually to have highlighted words, meaning that as the word is spoken, it's being highlighted in a different color. Now, don't get intimidated when I say different packages, coding, because we have AI today. We just need to make sure that we share with the AI the right documents so that AI can instantly learn how to do this for us. Here, just copy this npx create command. Then let's open VS Code. And before this, make sure you have a designated folder in your computer for this project. Then I'm going to open that project folder from VS Code. Okay, I have a folder called TikTok Caption Demo, and this is my project folder. I also have terminal window opened. If you don't have this one opened by default, you can just go to View and select Terminal to open it. Another way to quickly install Claude Code is to go to Extensions here on the left-hand side. Click on it, find Claude Code for VS Code. I have already installed it. It's really straightforward. You just click Install and it will install it for you. Now, I have tested the sequence several times. It's actually better if we download the right templates from Remotion first and then ask Claude Code to learn from it. So let's just copy and paste npx create video at latest and the TikTok template. Hit return. Now here it's asking us to create a subfolder called my video. I'm just going to click return to accept. Note that there's a my video folder created here. And at Tailwind CSS, we're just going to say yes, click return. And here open in VS Code, you can select why yes. It just creates a new VS Code window for you. You can also select N, and when you expand the my video folder, you can see the templates have been downloaded. All right. Now here, we're ready to call Claude Code. Let's just type Claude. And the first step is let's help Claude Code understand our code base, which is the template. And this is how we do it, /init. This way, Claude Code will understand the whole code base and summarize everything in a claude.md file for us. Do you want to make this edit to claude.md? I'm going to select the second one to allow all edits during this session. All right, it's done its homework. Let's double check by clicking on the readme.md file. Perfect. So currently Claude Code is on accept edits on mode. It reminds us we can use Shift plus Tab to change the mode. We can change it once to plan mode. And that just means Claude Code won't do anything until it gets approval from us. I usually start with the plan mode. So if we look at the folder, right, And there's a public photo. If we expand it, there is a sample video here. It will save us so much time and Claude Code so much time if we just simply delete this sample video. We have to drag our own video to be transcribed into this public folder. So now I've dragged a long test.mov video, which is a long form 16:9 video format. So even though the template is called the TikTok caption template, we can actually use it to make animated captions for long form videos. Let's see how it goes, right? So I'm just gonna type, please make TikTok style animated captions for this video. Use @ to find this video. And this is the simplest single sentence prompt. Now Claude Code has made a plan for us. It's presenting to us the caption will feature white text with black stroke outline, green highlight color for active words, spring-based entrance animations, word-by-word highlighting synchronized to speech timing, caption grouping every 1200 milliseconds. Looks pretty nice to me. Let's say instead of green highlight color, I want blue highlight color. Now I'm just gonna go to no, keep planning. This is good. Just change the highlight color from green to blue. Now this time, I'm just gonna do yes and manually approve edits. Now I shifted mode to accept edits. I'm gonna select yes and don't ask again for these similar types of requests. Now here, Claude Code realized it needs to install some missing dependencies, which is quite normal. And all we have to do is select number 2 to agree with. And this is where Claude Code really shines. When it encounters problems, errors, it really knows how to fix it by itself. In comparison, Gemini CLI needs a lot of human guidance to be able to make things work. Now, if it's your first time running this command, do note that deep down, Remotion package utilizes Whisper locally. So if it's your first time running the command, then it will take some time to download the 1.5 gigabyte Whisper model into your local computer. So it's normal if it takes a while. All right, now it says perfect. I've successfully completed all tasks and changed highlight color from green to blue. Generate captions for long test.mov using Whisper. Now we can see long test.json. This is the caption file and it's word level. Great. It tells us to preview the video with TikTok style animated captions. Just do npm run dev. Let's just do npm run dev. Proceed. Looks like some error. And don't worry, let's just do a screenshot of the whole thing. Then let's get this screenshot here and just say, check out this error. Prove for it to see the screenshot. See, now it recognizes that it's trying to load sample video MP4, which is the sample video we deleted. The composition's default props are still pointing to the old sample video. It just means that in this, if you expand src folder, the root.tsx file, we need to update the source file to the right file name. But we don't need to worry too much about it. Claude Code can do it for us. It tells us it fixed it. And let's just go to localhost 3000 again. All right, let's check it out. Learn how to do these fun captions with me in this video. Okay, it looks nice. Only that we want this to be a long form video, but it's giving us a short form instead. And don't worry, let's go back to Claude Code and just tell it this is a long form video in 16:9, but it's right now in short form. Please correct. And within a few seconds, it tells us it's done. Oh, nice. Learn how to do these fun captions with me in this video. So now we have the 16:9 long form video, but the captions are in the middle. Now you can keep it like that, but I think it's better to move it downwards. Let's go back to Claude Code and VS Code. It's better, but the captions should be at the bottom of the video. Now it's centered. Okay, Let's check. Cool. This time seems great. Let's play it. Learn how to do these fun captions with me in this video. Pretty good. Let's just say you change the highlighted color to pink. Another 2 seconds. Done. Wow. Learn how to do these fun captions with me in this video. Very nice. Wow. I can't believe it. How simple it is. And if you're happy with how the animated captions turn out for you, you can just click render here to download the video with the captions. Alternatively, you can also come back to VS Code and ask Claude Code, please render this video for me. It would take me hours to animate a video's captions in this style manually. This is pretty amazing. Now, I hope you learned how to do this. If you run into any problems, if you have any questions, please comment down below. And please like and subscribe if you learned anything interesting and fun in this video. See you next time.